This is the CleanTech medical grade UVC air purifier. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get an instruction manual. They give you the power cord right over here, which is a standard US plug to a figure 8 style connector. And of course here is the filter itself. There's a button up top, touch button right there. Otherwise, just a plain white box, nothing special. But there is something very special about this. I want to tell you a bit about it, then I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, and then of course we'll test it out. So it's an air purifier. We've seen these before. It's not a new product by any means, but this one is special. This is true HEPA filtration. It'll remove 99.98% of dust, smoke, and pollen. It has a brushless motor design, so it's super quiet. At low speed, it's only 45 decibels, so that's just basically a whisper. It's ozone free, so there's not going to be any of that quote-unquote fresh rain smell. You know, after it rains outside you get that smell, can't really describe it. That's ozone. It does not put out any ozone, and this is a pretty large unit. It's going to cover up to 600 square feet. Now, like I said, this is a medical grade air purifier. It has a 254 nanometer wavelength UVC germicidal bulb inside. What they've done here is they've extended the UVC bulb, so it has a much longer bulb. As a result of that, the air chamber inside is much longer to accommodate the length of that bulb, and therefore the exposure time of the air inside the machine is longer. The longer you can expose that air to UVC, the cleaner it's going to be. The more pathogens and whatnot that it's going to kill inside. It also has a mirror coating on the inside. So that means that when the light is on, it's going to reflect back, and the light is basically bouncing all around inside that chamber, but there is absolutely zero UVC light leakage. UVC is an excellent tool to use for killing pathogens and stuff like that, but it's also harmful to humans and other living things. So we can't be exposed to it. But the pathogens that we want to kill, well, yeah, you expose them to that and they are killed off, and that's that. So it has a mirror coating inside. And it also has the HEPA filter on there. They claim that that'll last between 6 to 12 months. And I want to show you how easy it is to remove the filter and replace it. And also I can show you the inside of the machine. So it's very easy to get to the filter. We flip it over and you see these 4 black things here. These are simply thumb screws. Now these are long threads, so it's going to take me a moment just to undo these. Okay, with those out, this simply lifts off, and that reveals the filter. It's that easy. You get a new filter and drop it in, put the cover back, and put the 4 things back in, and you're all set. But let me show you inside the machine. So it's very nicely designed here. Take the filter off and take a look here. The UVC bulb, and inside, you see how that goes way down in there? And it's a mirror finish on the inside. So that air goes through the machine and comes out, and it's exposed for a longer, basically a dwell time, if you will, while it's inside the machine to kill off many more pathogens. Your power connector plugs in right over here. So I'm going to set this upright, put the filter back in, plug it in, we'll give it a test. There are 2 modes of operation, 2-hour max and 24-hour min. Very simply, you just press in on that, and it turns on. We'll set it upright for a minute there. This is at the highest speed. It's not very loud at all. I can talk right over it. It really does not interfere with anything. Or we can press the button Switch to low, and that's how loud it is on low. So basically the idea is you're going to run this on low. Let me turn it off for a moment, and we'll put it on high. So that's the 2 hours. It's going to start up on high, and that's going to run for 2 hours and then go into a standby mode. Or you can press again to go to low, and it's going to run for 24 hours continuously at low speed. It'll just keep running on here, and the airflow at the low speed is about 50% of that at the high speed. Very quiet machine. Again, the long chamber, long bulb ensures that it's definitely cleaning the air. And the air that comes out the top here, it's definitely smelling nice and fresh. Indeed, it is making a difference. So CleanTech did what none of the other brands do. They've extended the bulb, extended the chamber, and mirrored the inside to increase the dwell time and therefore provide much cleaner air than can be provided with any typical run-of-the-mill air purifier. All around, an excellent unit, nice and quiet, great all around. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description to where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.